Have you ever wondered how banks actually work? Are there any hidden truths which you are not aware and which could be affecting you? Then you are at the right place. But do stay hooked till the end to understand the real truth about banks and the 7 things they don't want you to know. If this topic sounds interesting to you, then drop a like below and let's dive into the topic now. Banks are an essential part of our lives, but it's important to understand how they make money and how it affects your finances. Here are the top 7 truths you must know about the banking system. Number 1. Keeping your money in the bank means losing money every year due to inflation. Number 2. Banks earn money through processing fees on card transactions and interest rates on credit cards. Number 3. Your money in the bank is not physical and is used by the bank for business loans, mortgages, and other investments. Number 4. Bankers are not your friends and may pressurize you into taking loans you don't need. Number 5. Foreign transaction fees are another way banks make money from customers. Number 6. Banks have become an investor's delight due to their multiple income sources. Finally, number 7. Fractional reserve banking has been in place for decades, allowing banks to lend out your money to others. What it means is that your money is not physically in the bank, but is being used to make money for the bank. As an individual, it is important to be aware of the ways banks make money off of you and to make informed decisions about your finances. Being aware of the risks and limitations of keeping your money in the bank can help you make informed choices about where to invest your money. On a broader scale, understanding the role of banks in the economy and their impact on society can help us create a more equitable financial system. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and drop a like if you have learned something valuable. For more such videos on financial education and personal growth, subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.